Hi guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you two new fidgets I got today. So the first one came in this package and the second one came in this package. Can you guess what they are? Well, I got a fidget pad, and magnetic rings. I really like both of these a lot. The magnetic rings are so much fun to just move around and stuff, and they fit perfectly on my fingers. And their magnetic is pretty strong. Look. And I really like them. The color combination is nice too. And I really like my fidget pad because it looks like a remote controller thing. Make sure you check out more videos. Bye!